Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Starting with my first project, I will be making the decorative tray using this Dollar Tree sign. Now these are new to Dollar Tree. I found this in the color brown and white. I'm going to use the white one for this, and I'm going to remove the handle on the back. Then using two of the Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, I'm going to add one on each side. These are going to be like the little handles of my tray. Now I'm going to glue like the handles and the border of the tray using the Waverly Antique Wax. And that is it for this quick and easy decorative tray. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be making a decor for my tray, and I'm using this Dollar Tree sign, and I'm using a piece of wood that I already have, but you can use Jenga blocks. This is so it can stand up straight. After I'm done gluing this, I'm going to paint the wood part using the Waverly Antique Wax. I will be adding a wreath to this sign. Now instead of doing like a separate wreath and then just using like a little hook and hang it, I'm going to glue it instead. So I'm going to start off by just gluing a piece of the Dollar Tree rope and making a circle. Then I'm going to glue some of this greenery. This is from Walmart. I recently found this ribbon at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to make a bow out of this. Then I'm going to add it to my wreath. And you can leave it like that, but I remember I had these leftover transfer stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to add the word hello on one of the corners. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be making another decor for my tray, and I'm using this little house that I recently found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using this bless sign that I got from Hobby Lobby from a pack, but Dollar Tree does carry small little laser cutouts that you can use instead. Now I decided not to paint this and leave it this color, and I'm going to add it more towards the bottom of the house. Now to decorate this some more, I'm going to use the same ribbon I used earlier and put it on like above the bless sign. To decorate it even more, I'm going to add some jute twine and some greenery. Using the same ribbon, I'm going to make a bow and add it on the corner with the greenery. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this craft bottle that I got during Christmas. I actually got it after, and I got it for 50 cents. I'm going to paint it white, and I actually gave this 2 coats of white paint. I'm going to make these 2 tones, and I'm adding some of the antique wax. I'm not painting this perfectly because I'm going to add like a ribbon to cover the imperfection. Using a black ribbon, I'm going to just cover the imperfection of my painting. To decorate this some more, I will be adding some jute twine, and then I'm going to add some greenery. The greenery I'm using is from Walmart. And that is it. Look how beautiful this planter turned out. For my next project, I'm going to make a little tag. This one is from Walmart and it is under $1. Now, Dollar Tree does carry tags that you can use instead. I'm going to paint like the inside or like the inside part with the Waverly Antique Wax, and the outside, the little border, I'm going to paint it with black paint. To decorate the tag, I was going to use these rub-on transfers that I found at the Dollar Tree, but I felt like they were too small, so I ended up not using these. Instead, I used like these stickers that I also found at the Dollar Tree. After gluing the sticker, I'm going to add some of these wood beads, and that is it for this tag. And that is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.